What's up, my hot for food foodie lovers and snack heads? It's your boy, comedian Chris Clarke, aka C-Snacks. Yo, check it. I'm here at Veggy Street, man. Yo, Lauren got me. Yeah, I'm on my vegan-ish. Straight vegan fast food restaurant, and yeah, my first time, man. I'm gonna check this out. Yeah, let's do it. Let's check it out. Veggie Street. All right, guys, so boom, I am here. I'm home. I couldn't do it inside my car because I don't have my car. I am in Vegas and I don't have my car. I don't have my car. No, I don't. I ain't got it, baby. I ain't got my car. Car's back home in Connecticut. So I took an Uber there. So I couldn't do a review with the Uber guy smelling all this goodness. He gonna be like, what the hell is that? So yeah, boom, this is it. I got some fries. Got they fries. Whoa, some fries. Oh, okay. I'm mad because you gotta eat the fries right then there. Anytime you bring any fries, I don't care where you at, you bring it home. If it's like 12 minutes, 10 minutes, fries ain't good. They ain't good no more. Well, these, maybe because I'm hungry, these are alright. Boom, got the fries. I got me a smart dog. This is called the smart dog because it's smart. And he went to a good college, and you know what I'm saying, he wasn't drinking like the rest of the hot dogs, so he was like, yo, I'm gonna get into the computer analysis programs and those. Yeah, this look real plain. Look at this. You can see that. It's mad plain. It look mad whack. It's on the pretzel bun. I guess all their buns are pretzel buns. This is just beans on it. This don't even look smart. This look like he got a GED or something. It's stuck into it. It's crazy. I never had peas on my hot dog. That's crazy weird. But it is what it is. Man, I wish I had some sauce. Ooh! I know what kind of sauce I'm gonna throw in. Hold on 1 minute. Oh my God, Beto, oh my God. Yo, why my ghetto butt? So I had some sauce from Kane. I love Kane sauce. You know Kane's sauce is good when they charge you 50 cents for this cup right here. So I had some, it's like a couple of days old, and I'm gonna put the Kane sauce on the smart dog. Kane sauce on the smart dog. Put the Kane sauce, damn, I'm just dropping all the peas. Drop that Kane sauce. Put that Kane sauce. It's taking a long time because it's been sitting and it's cold. I can't just eat the dog plain. I'm sorry. That's just not how I'm built. I know I'm trying to transfer into the vegan life, but I'm doing it for hot for food. That's why I'm doing it. I like to taste it. Here it go. Let me tell you something. If I ain't go ahead and put that Kane sauce, this wouldn't have been a smart dog. It would have been like a special ed dog. And I used to be in special ed in high school, you know, because I was bad. Yeah, this is banging with that Kane sauce. Big shout out to Kane's. I'm cross promoting. I don't mean to do that, but it's my lifestyle of eating. You understand what I'm saying? It's my life, okay? That's a good one. That Kane sauce be making anything taste good. That Kane sauce will make a dirty sock taste good, straight up. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. I ordered the meal, and it's supposed to come with a drink, and I ordered the milkshake. This is a strawberry milkshake. This is almond milk, a strawberry. It's a vegan shake. Yeah, I should have did this first because it's starting to melt. Like to taste it? Here you go. God damn, that's good. Damn, this tastes like that Pulp Fiction $5 shake that Uma Thurman bought with John Travolta. Yo, gotta watch the movie. Damn, my man over there put his ankles in this one. This is good. He cared about me. That's what it tastes like he cared. This is their, damn, I forgot the name of it. Oh my gosh. This is their veggie patty. It's hydroponically, damn, I can't even pronounce it. Hydroponically grown with butter, lettuce, tomato, dried quinoa, red onions, American veggie cheese. This is a veggie cheese on a pretzel bun with fries. Yeah, this is all that right there. It's all that right here. All that. Look at this hanging. Yo, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it without the cane sauce. I gotta put that cane sauce on there, man. You know what? Let me get some ketchup. I'm gonna get some ketchup first. I got me some ketchup that it came with. Put a little ketchup on this bad boy. Yeah, put some ketchup on it, you know. I got a little ketchup on it. Like to taste it? Here it go. Oh man, this is one tasty burger. This is a tasty burger. Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and put some of that cane sauce. I am so bad, man. Well, I shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't have to. The hot dog was good enough. But damn it, if you got cane sauce in your fridge, man, you might as well use it. Huh? You might as well use it. I like to taste it with cane sauce. Here it goes. Oh, God damn, that's good. I didn't even need the sauce. That's how good this burger is, man. Damn, Veggie Street, that's what y'all doing? They need to put a tip box for the chef that's in the back. That's what they need to do. I'm going to get some more of these fries. Yeah, this was good. This was good. Such a savage. It is what it is, son. Ooh. That's a good ass mixture, man. Yo, anytime you have pretzel bun on the burger, no matter what type of burger it is, animal burger or not, it's damn good. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let me go ahead and clean out the pipes right here. Clean it out. Clean it out. So damn good. I just ate this whole meal in front of y'all. It was supposed to be a bite taste review, but I'm a savage. I ate everything in front of y'all because I'm a savage. Yes, I'm a savage, yeah. I'm a savage. I said, yes, I'm a savage, yeah. Man, this strawberry shake. Me, I'm about to take this strawberry shake out for a day. We gonna hit the town. Damn, baby, you all sweet and organically, non-dairy. Walking down the street, they gonna turn around like, damn, is that Veggie Street strawberry almond milk organic milkshake? I said, why, yes it is. You better get your own. All right, guys, yo, that's it for this review. Guys, if you ever in Las Vegas, please check out Veggie Street. The one I went to is 1110 East Silverado Boulevard in Las Vegas. Yo, check out Veggie Street, man. It's banging. It's your boy C-Snacks on Hot for Foods. Peace. I don't have my car. No, I don't. Say it one more time. I don't got my car.